Hey friends, wanna make Daddy's favorite tiramisu. So let's get started. Mixing 4 egg yolks, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of Kahlua. This is only for grown-ups. It's looking good. We'll add a pinch of salt. Let's go. Very good. Now the service is on the stove. It serves at each one's 360. 1 cup of heavy cream. That kind of made a mess. Sorry, Mommy.
Okay.
This is mascarpone cheese. What are 8 ounces of this? Hey, did you know? Tiramisus pick me up in the palate.
What does it taste like?
Good.
What does it taste like, though?
Tiramisu.
It tastes like tiramisu? What does tiramisu taste like?
Tastes bad.
Tastes bad.
No. Whisk it so you can see soft peas. This is risky. Want to make the coffee. This is very hot water. Want to make some coffee.
Okay, pour this in.
Ooh. Add two packs of espresso. 1. There you go. If you see steam, means it's hot. Not bad. Now we're gonna add the custard to the whipped cream. That's so yummy. Dad's gonna be so happy. Let's see if it tastes good.
What do you think?
Good. These are wavy beans. What did they the wavy beans and the coffee? Only dip it for 2 seconds. I don't like to get too salty. We're gonna add a third of this on top.
Sorry.
You do the coffee, and I do the frosting. That's kind of looking good.
Mm-hmm. I think so.
I think so. Now go and rest up the cream. Kind of looking good.
Looking great.
Looking great. Now, what else? It tastes good on frosting. Well, what's when I take a bite?
Okay.
It's looking good.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
The last step is cocoa and chocolate. A final touch is chocolate. Want to grate it on top. I just want to break it.
You just want to break it? Okay.
This is the hardest part. Now you have to wait 1 hour to let it chill in the fridge. And then you can eat it. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Bye!